Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngibona ama-message lana interesting. Ngizoqala nge-message kaBhuti uSipho Sithole bafethu. Uthi hi Nkuli, uthi o-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs laphana bakwazi ukurida igame. Uthi uLilepo usase-injured loya muntu loyo. Into engeke ngayisho ngathi uLilepo ulimala I think two games this season manje, but still the next game siyambona edlala. Asiqhubeke ngestatement sakabhuti laphana uSipho Sithole. Uthi-ke kumele banike amanye ama-players i-opportunity ukuthi laphana adlale. Uthi some of them are not giving 100%. Uthi ubheka nje iplayer elifana noMduduzi Shabalala uthi udlalela i-Instagram. Uthi nasi starting lineup sakhe bafethu. Uthi laphana ku-goalkeeper uPeterson, uThabiso Munyane ku-right back, uKwinika, uCross, uShinga. Usho ukuthi uCross uzodropa to emuva laphana, and then uShinga uyozoba laphana which is i-left back, and then uMthethwa, uNgcobo, uSirina, u-Igadaro and uSilva plus Velebayi, then uthi Khosi for life. Well, the starting lineup esi-powerful, esi-strong. What I spoke about izolo, ngikhulume ngendaba yokuthi Kaizer Chiefs kumele iqale ukudlala ngama-twin strikers, nge-strikers eziwu-2 because of inama-options amaningi. And what we saw today, it was really embarrassing bafethu ukuthi u-Igadaro uzohamba ayocollecta ibhola le yedwa, eyibo abamdlalisanga at all. So i-starting lineup esi-convincing. We are yet to see uShinga, asazi ukuthi uShinga uzosilethelani noma ngithi uzoyilethelani laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Asingeneni kwenye i-comment engiyibona laphana kabhuti ubani uSandile Dlamini uthi siyabonga Silva and Sirino nasikhipha emanyaleni, we love you balls. Vilakazi was off, Mthethwa losing so many balls, no creativity today. Vilakazi was off, but at the same time ngishilo ukuthi uVilakazi off because uTerence Mashego udlala kahle kakhulu. Umake sure even ispeed sakaSolomon azange sisibone, everything nje was off. But khona enye i-comment engiyibonile, omunye wathi Kaizer Chiefs ama-coach wakhona awekho creative. Why? Because of uGavin Hunt umake sure ukuthi kuma-wingers umake sure ukuthi baphefumula kanzima, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs bekunzima ukuthi operate kuma-wing. But iside bekungathi makusaqala igame laphana first half uLilepo bekubonakala ngathi uzowathola ama-opportunities laphana esayidini lakhe laphana ku-left. Unfortunately-ke naye azange abonise ubuhlakani ukuthi uhlakaniphile in terms of ukuthi abe direct. Even noVilakazi just before siya iphele i-first half uyitholile opportunity kwa-left hand side i-Kaizer Chiefs maba-attack-a la bekudlala khona uLilepo mabaqeda ukuswitch. But-ke ku-left hand side lokhunjana la bekudlala khona ku-left back lokhunjana le-Durban City uTerence Mashego udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Yeah, what a game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. They have to try and improve from this game. But sithi improve, sithi Kaizer Chiefs improve until nini bafethu? Phela ngeke sithi every week sithi kumele ba-improve. Sikhulume ngoLilepo, sikhulume ngoModi. Khona amanye ama-message engifuna uSenzo Memela lana uthi uGavin Hunt ugude kakhulu in terms of i-strategy bafethu. Yeah, ulokhu njani hayi uGavin Hunt siyamazi uhlakaniphe kakhulu. Ngimuzwe ku-interview akhuluma ngebhola ngasho ukuthi lo baba uyalazi ibhola serious, hayi indaba yokudlala. Abanye abantu bathatha ama-chance in terms of ibhola. Kunzima uku-outclassa uGavin Hunt because of uya egemini ene-strategy laphana. Obviously Kaizer Chiefs, they had to work very hard to get ilokhunjana i-win. It was not an easy win for Kaizer Chiefs. It was very, very hard ukuthi bayithole, but-ke bakwazile ukuyithola overall. Abantu, I mean, obanye ubani uDream lana Maisha, yeah, if ngisisho kahle isibongo ngiyaxolisa bafethu ngesibhedile. Uthi-ke i-formation was not going for, ithi formation beyingekho right for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi 4-4-2, well, we don't have speedy players but play 4-4-2. Angazi kuba futhi uyibone kanjani 4-4-2 la, cause okay angazi, cause the way ngibone ngakhona mhlambe ngwrong mfethu la Dream, because lokhunjana bekune-striker esodwa u-Igadaro, and then bekunama-winger asiye nje first half, and then bekunoMfundo Vilakazi kunoLilepo, and then kube u-number 10 ulokhunjana uShabalala, and then emva kwakhe kube ubani uNgcobo, and then kube no Mthethwa. Yeah, okay, yeah, i-4-4-2 yakho sengiyayibona kancane because of ulokhunjana at some point ulokhunjana yeah, ngiyayibona impela-ke le 4-4-2 sure, because uVilakazi khona la bekavele ahleli khona laphana ngathi uyi-striker bekangamuvi, bathola ilepho bebangamniki i-supply noma eyilapha agcina edropha laphana. Ngimbonile uVilakazi multiple occasion elaphana nje eyi-twin sort of ngathi i-twin strikers, but uma ufuna ukuba ney-strikers u-two iba ney-strikers eyi-two owaziyo ukuthi i-strikers solid. Ulo khunjani uVilakazi man ulo uShabalala lo engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi bekadropha usimbone selaphana sekungathi uyi-striker nyana naye. Akakwazi ukushutha even if uzithola kulawo ma-position lawo akakwazi ukushaya. So njengoba umfethu la athi udlalela i-TikTok lo athi udlalela i-TikTok, well kuneqiniso khona because of umdu uthanda ukudlala iy'tayela. I mean ngeke wenze iphutha, each and every game wenzana nephutha elilodwa lokuthi uzolibamba ibhola ufune ukuya ku-byline elayinini then ibhola liyaphuma liyakushiya wena, you always trying to beat ama-defenders. Then dlala ibhola udlalisa amanye ama-players wakho, get ama-players into the game. Ungafuni ukuholda ibhola isikhathi eside ey'nyaweni, no, move. Ungafani noPule Modi nawo. Pule Modi nawo ufuna ukuholda ibhola angazi ukuthi bashade nebhola yini labantu laba, release the ball. Baningi ama-player alimele ibhola a-hungry afunayo ukudeliver for i-team. Mabangadlalisi abafana abancane, I think abafana abancane ba-more hungry than laba, especially laba abangakadlali bafethu, ba-more hungry than laba abangakawathola ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale. But ama-game maningi this season, so bona bazoshape-a kanjani izinto going forward, but it's disappointing. I wanna go back to the starting lineup esipredictwe ubhuti lana uSipho Sithole ukuthi i-lineup yakhe. uSilva unamalanga wakhe. Namhlanje bekuyilanga lakhe, I mean the game le abayidlalile neDurban City. Yeah, angimboni as umuntu ongadlala ama-full games isikhathi esiningi, but-ke bangamnika lawo ma-10 minutes ukuthi ahlale laphana eboxini sebazofaka amabhola uzozama ukuthola something. Ulo uIkadaro naye uyi-player eli-good, but u-good to what extent if nizofuna yolandela amabhola. So I mean izinto lezi kumele ebhekwe lezo ukuthi okay uIkadaro kumele bamsupply ngamabhola, but bamsupply kanjani? I mean for me ukubona uIkadaro emuva, it was just off mafethu. But yeah, they took it 3 points, they move. They have to play better. But there's something I saw, angazi ukuthi noma ngibone ngedwa na, ama-coach eKaizer Chiefs awana plan. Mangithi awana plan, ngibona amadoda ngiwabheka laphana ebhentshini a-frustrated ngenye indlela ngasho ukuthi eyibo bazovelaphi labantu abaneplan ba-frustrate-wa kusase-nil draw, but bona bayajuluka laphana ebhentshini, uyabona ukuthi ba-super frustrated ngempela, abanalo iplan. La kunenkinga khona enkulu, which is ama-wing, ukuthi ama-wing awabo awakwazi ukuba create ama-opportunities, bafaka amanye ba-replace bani konje, bafaka uModi-ke ayikho into azokunika yona, akhohlwa. In terms iDurban City siyabona ukuthi beyiplanile ngama-wing ukuthi izobhlokha laphana ama-wing, so ufaka uPule Modi umuntu odlala odlala ibhola ey'nyaweni la ulila makabamba ibhola uPule Modi umpress, uyazi ukuthi ibhola uyalithola, uyampressa serious, you know, back down, unless if uzokubhitha-ke, but-ke mpresse ngokuhlakanipha ngoba ibhola ulithanda libe kuphi, libe sey'nyaweni zakhe. But yeah, I mean a good goal from uSilva bafethu, akaqhubeke umfana aba-inspire noma kubheda kwezinye iy'nsuku or kufana nale game le bebayidlala, but-ke they need a hero, and uSilva he was the hero of the day. Danko bafethu.